Look, it's really snowing again outside this morning. And then I looked downstairs, or I mean down below my apartment, and there's like a traffic stop. Whoa! What's wrong? I guess that's not really good. Maybe there was an accident or something. Wow, I come out here and I see this, and I'm even wondering if we have school. There's like nothing. I mean, look at that parking lot. 0 cars. Walking in a winter wonderland. Little stray cat feet. Look, one person. I have an umbrella, but I still end up getting snowed on. It's not working very well. There's our library. Wow, there's nobody. Holy smokes. You can tell this bike has obviously not been touched by anyone. That's our little koi pond down there. Or one of them, and I bet the little fishies are freezing. It's a blizzard! Right now I'm on my way to buy some Coke bottles for 2 people that requested them after seeing the pictures and the video yesterday, and I just wanted to show that the snow on the road is melting, but there's still a lot on the grassy parts and in the trees and bushes. So it's still kind of pretty, but it's so freaking cold. I'm wearing those boots and my toes are freezing off. It's awful. Wow, it looks so pretty in my camera. Outside of the camera too. But look at the mountains over there. They've got no snow left, but then when you start looking over this way, you see that far mountain over there? There's still snow, and then more this way. All my mountains over there have snow, and oh my god, over there too. Oh, I'm gonna do a close-up. Oh, it's so pretty, look. Oh my god, it's cold up here. Over there. Just started snowing even more, and oh look, you can't even see anything. Guess it's because it's so thick, the snow. Oh, cool. I feel kind of lame making over the snow so much, but you guys have to realize I'm from Texas, so you know this happens, but not so often. So it came down to find this snowman, but when I came and looked at his face, he doesn't really look happy. He's like really angry.